Hey, what's up guys? So in this video, we will see how to change the recent app style on any Samsung phone. Now to do that, just open the Play Store and in the search bar, just search this. Now just install this app. Then tap on Open, tap on Proceed and give this app this permission. Now just tap on Home Up, tap on Visit FileLog homepage and select Home Up. Now just download this APK. Select Download, then tap on Open File. Select Install, then tap on Done. After that, just go back and select Good Luck. Now just download this APK. Select Download, then tap on Open File. Select Install and tap on Open. From here, just tap on Agree and Continue. And once you have done that, just go to your home screen and open the FileLog app. Now just go to Home Up, tap on Next and enable this toggle. Now once you do that, just enable Task Changer. Now currently our recent app style is like this. Now you can change it from here. Just tap on Task Changer and you can select from these options. Now if you select Grid, you can change the recent app style to something like this. And also you have the option of vertical and slim list. And this is how you can change the recent app style on any Samsung phone. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get notified when we upload a new video.